Hey, what's up guys, it's Mofo. I just came from Harbor Freight. I bought me a new light for my garage. Now I'm on my way home. I'm going to try it out. Let's get some heat going in here. So I just bought this light from Harbor Freight. It's a Braun LED clamp light. It has 800 lumens. It says 4-in-1 clamp, magnetic, handheld, or table. And it says, caution, very bright. You can clamp it on, or you can hold it in your hand, or you can clamp it onto this base. And the base is magnetic, so you can stick it right under the hood of your car. Ooh, that is bright. Yeah, I like that. Man, that's way better than the light I had before. You're in the spotlight, Otis.
I'm ready for my close-up.
So if you're looking for a good light for your garage or other work area, I recommend this light. It was only $14.99. It's really super bright. I'm not kidding y'all, that thing is bright. And it's lightweight and compact. Good night, Otis.